So if you are seeing we ran into an issue while signing you in, error while logging into your ChatGPT account, then this video is for you. We'll take a look on several very simple solutions which will work for overcoming this issue. So when this thing appears up, you have to first of all press the go back button and again tap on the login button. In this way, maximum chances are you will be redirected to the login page. And if you again see the error second time, then again go back and again log in. Do this thing 4 to 5 times and you will be redirected to this page in the 4th or 5th or even 6th try. But if you are doing this thing again and again, but this issue is not being fixed, then the next thing that you can do is you have to switch to the incognito mode of your browser. If you are on Google Chrome, you can simply open the incognito mode, and if you are on Safari, you can open the in private tab for logging in ChatGPT account, and your account will be logged in this way. And if this thing also doesn't work, then try switching the browsers. Means if you are using Google Chrome, you have to switch to Safari, and if you are trying to sign in your ChatGPT account on Safari, then you have to switch to Google Chrome. So hope this works, and if all these things don't work, then try switching the devices temporarily. Means if you are trying to log in ChatGPT account on mobile, then try switching to another mobile or laptop, and vice versa. But I know the very first solution that I shared with you, that opening the login page again and again will work. This issue will be fixed in this way. So let me know in the comments which thing worked for you, because it will be a big help for the others. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.